This is a big part of what we're working to do to bring equity-minded practices and policies to our institution.
I think it's one of the obstacles, not understanding who our students are. Different students need different supports, and we need to do a better job.
And if we want truly game-changing solutions, it's our responsibility to learn, to engage, and to mobilize. And it starts with this documentary. It starts with all of us in this room. And if we don't take on that responsibility, then who is?
There are institutions out there who will make it possible for you to succeed in college, and you do not have to apologize for who you are at this stage.
We need to hear the general public standing up and saying, what are we doing to help students get post-secondary degrees?
I am so glad somebody has finally put this discussion on a big screen. I'm very passionate about higher ed, but I'm even more passionate about student success, so kudos to them.
I want to thank the filmmakers. This is a wonderful conversation.